So the 15 to 20k range then, this is probably what we tend to fit the most. It's maybe not so much what people inquire the most, but it tends to end up what we end up, selling more. The reason for that is a lot of people come in with the 10 to 15k budget, and once they see things like quartz or the premium appliances or the different pull-out options, naturally that budget creeps up. But if you do upgrade it to the 15 to 20k mark, then yes, you can get a little bit more. So usually, yes, we can get quartz on a low to mid sort of level. So again, sticking to your Carraras, the general rule of thumb is if there's not too much pattern in it, then it will be a lower end quartz. But a lot of quartz is down to supply and demand. So for a slab or a colour that sells a lot will be less than the one that doesn't sell as much, which is why the quartz with like glitter or sparkles or mirrorflex in them, they tend to be the least expensive because they sell so much in new builds and things like that. In terms of the kitchen style, between 15 to 20k, I would suggest, you can go with slab doors, you can go with J-pull doors, you can go with shaker doors. I just probably wouldn't recommend going down the painted solid timber shaker door route. I'd be pushing towards something like a 5-piece foil wrapped shaker, which in itself is, can work better for people anyway, because it's a tougher finish. It doesn't chip like paint chips. But the big thing is it's more affordable. So if your budget's 15 to 20k, I'd be saying a 5-piece foil wrapped shaker door, quartz worktops, mid-range appliances, like a Bosch Series 2 or a Capel or something like that. And yeah, I'd probably say within that range as well, you could upgrade to a Kuka boiling tap or a Capel boiling tap or Franca or whatever brand you choose. Thanks for watching and good luck planning your kitchen project.